Kate here with WTI. Now, if you struggle with the lighting in your office, this desk lamp from Micomlan might be exactly what you need. So this light attaches directly to your desk. It can fit up to a desk 2.5 inches thick. It screws right on so it feels nice and secure. You then have several lighting options. I love how adjustable and customizable this light is. So as you can see, you have your main light and then you have auxiliary lights. They are all dimmable, so you can choose exactly what brightness you want them to be at. And they also have different color warmths. So you can go to a cool white or to a warm white. And if that's not adjustable enough, each of the lights rotate. The whole arm is adjustable. You can choose exactly what angle you want it to be at. You can point your lights up, down, you can fold them even. So exactly the lighting that you need for whatever project you're working on or whatever Zoom call you're on, whatever occasion that you need a little extra lighting, this will have you covered. It's very portable too, so if you want to bring it to your kitchen table and do some drawings or light your puzzle up, that is a great way to use this as well. So combat those shadows, no more bad lighting, look your best with this light. I'm sure you'll really like it, and that's my point of view.